Are you looking for more performance from your Yamaha sport boat? We have the kit that you need to make it happen. Let's check it out. We developed this kit specifically for the Yamaha 25-foot boats powered by the supercharged SVHO engines. It delivers a huge increase in acceleration. It'll get you to 55 miles an hour, 20% faster than the stock boat. Also, we've added a solid 4 miles an hour to the top speed. The stock boat runs about 56 miles an hour, and this Stage 1 255 boat runs a solid 60 miles per hour. This kit consists of 3 easy-to-install modifications. First, we have the Maptuner Device, which is used for tuning your engines. Then we will be installing 2 of these high-performance air filters. They drop directly into your factory air boxes. And last, we will be installing 2 of the Solus twin pump impellers. Another major benefit of this kit is we've practically eliminated cavitation. With our jet pump setup, it comes off the line hard without spinning the props. It stays hooked up in the corners with a greatly reduced turning radius. Also, we've dramatically reduced the sound in this cockpit area by reducing the cavitation in the jet pumps. First, let's talk about the engine tuning. This is your Maptuner Nano device, which plugs directly into your factory ECU via this cable. It communicates wirelessly via Bluetooth with your smartphone. You simply select the Stage 1 tune on your smartphone and it reflashes your ECU with a performance tune. This tune takes each stock engine from approximately 250 horsepower to 300 horsepower. So that's an extra 100 horsepower to play with. Now let's talk about upgrading your air filters for more airflow. This is one of your 2 factory air boxes. Let's take a look inside. We've removed the factory air box from your engine compartment so we can take a closer look. This is where air enters the air box, and this is where it exits to your engine. In between, we have a restrictive paper element. This is the factory element, and notice all around it is completely blocked from airflow. This complete panel is replaced with our high performance filter. This filter is cleanable and it's reusable, and it flows a whole bunch more air to make more power. This is your stock pump impeller. It is not very efficient. It creates a whole bunch of cavitation, which is the aeration of the water in your jet pump. It's basically like a car spinning its tires. You replace this impeller with the highly efficient Solus twin pump impeller. The Solus twin pump impeller features an inducer or secondary impeller. It is very efficient and creates a whole bunch of hookup. This drives your boat with better acceleration and top speed. We've installed our kit on this test boat. Let's go to the water and check out the results. So there you go, a dramatic increase in acceleration, more top speed, and reduced cavitation. This kit gives you more power to pull a tube or to load up a full crew and jump up on plane with confidence. All the power to do whatever you want to do. Check out RIVAJetBoat.com for complete information.